guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to try to film this really quickly before my eyelash falls off because my eye keeps tearing and it won't stop. So today I thought it would be a cute idea to do top 7 favorites of 2017. Kind of like a 2017 favorites, but like I'm doing 7. It's really original. Which one should I start with? So my first favorite is the Josie Maran Argan Oil Moonstone Drops. I just talked about this in a recent haul video, but if you didn't see that, this is basically a moisturizer and a primer and a highlighter, and it smells like lavender. I put it on before I wear my makeup and it makes my skin feel very like glowy and fresh. You have 3 different uses for this, so even though it is not on the cheap side, I do think it's worth it and I really like this a lot.
You're on the cheap side. I'm joking, you're classy.
My eye won't stop tearing. I need to move faster. I need to get through this. I could do it. While we're on skin, my second top favorite, which I also mentioned in my recent haul video, is the Cover FX Drops. This one is celestial. It's not too whitish cool tone. It's not too like gold. It's kind of in the middle. This stuff brings any highlight to the max and it makes your skin look really dewy and glowy, and I love this stuff. My third top favorite is also in a recent video, because these are like the top things on my mind. I just got this Jeffree Star Ice Cold Skin Frost. I was so amazed by it. I wore it a couple times since then and I'm wearing it right now. It's just so glowy and it's buildable. There's so much on the pan that I'm like very pleased with it. So this is definitely a favorite. Top 4, this one was actually sent to me by Sam. Holy shut up. This one was actually sent to me by Sam Mars. Oh my god, I literally pressed mute. How is it making the sounds? I don't understand. I'm scared to talk because it's going to start going again. Okay, this was actually sent to me by Sam Marcel Beauty. They're a new company and I'm actually very, very impressed. They didn't pay me to say anything about it. They just wanted me to post with it, which I already did. So putting it in my favorites is definitely not required. I just really was very surprised by the quality of this palette. It's all highlighters, 6 different colors. I get the most use out of that one because I like my highlights like really pale, but I've used like the darker ones on other people. There's so much variety in here. The consistency of it is like so, can you see that? It's like very pigmented. It's like shimmery rather than sparkly, which you know I really, really like. You could use it as an eyeshadow, and that's one swipe. I got so much use out of this. They also have really good liquid lipsticks. I only tried one. It was like really smooth. So this company, I'm gonna look out for more stuff from them. What number was that? I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, my top favorite is the Burp. I feel like I'm talking about the same things because I did a lot of these in my haul video, but I just really like this stuff. Stila Glitter and Glow is amazing. I have Diamond Dust and Kitten Karma, and I literally want to get all of them. Like, they have like a purpley color one and I really want to get it, but it's always sold out. I'm wearing a little bit of it in here, topped with some NYX glitter. It gives a very intense glittery glow. It brings any look to the max. I'm not keeping track. How many did I do? Number 6 is also a recent purchase. All of my favorites of the year videos are always like the most recent products that I've been using. Did the same thing last year, but oops. It's just like what I've been picking up a lot lately. Cupcakes and Monsters palette. I've been using this so much in my recent looks. I was looking for a palette that had bright matte colors. I was obsessed with this when I found it and I got it on sale during Cyber Monday. I'm wearing these two in this look right here. You can't see colors. There it is. Hello. Yellow. Also, because the pan sizes are so big, I use them as like blush sometimes. I'm wearing the pink one as a blush now. I found out recently that the pans are magnetic, so you can take them out and put them in your own Z palette, which is really cool. Dude, I only did 6 things. I need to think. What's the other one? Hold on, I need to go look in my makeup for a second. Okay guys, I'm really stupid because the reason I couldn't figure out what my last thing was because it wasn't in front of me. It's in the bathroom because it's a skincare product, and I realized later when I got ready for bed. Here it is. It's the Josie Maran Face Butter. This stuff is so good. I got this first as a sample at Sephora and I had to buy the full-size one. It's a whipped argan oil face butter. So I put it on before bed, and it's really especially good for when I do like crazy looks where I put a lot of makeup on my skin and then I have to wash it off and like scrub it off, and I really need to like put the moisture back in. So this stuff literally makes your face feel like a baby. Even when you start putting it on, you start feeling so soft, and then when it fully dries, it's like so pure. I really recommend this. Anyone that says they have dry skin, especially for the winter, this is a great thing. You can even like put it on your hands and your body. I mean, she also has a body one, but it's kind of like the same thing. So anyway, so now you get 8 things because I forgot one. So back to the video. By far, the most used thing in my whole kit is my Makeup Geek shadows, which I purchased this year. The eyeshadows are basically like MAC quality shadows, except they're cruelty free, and she's got so many colors. The most used colors are probably Peach Smoothie, Chickadee, Cocoa, is this Cocoa Bear? Cocoa Bear, and Shimma Shimma, which is like these warm neutral colors. So if you haven't ever checked out her website, go look at Makeup Geek. They have like so many eyeshadows, and also she has like brushes and stuff. I have a pretty good brush from her too. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. I tried to speed through it because my eye is like falling apart over here. But I hope you have a happy new year and a great 2018. Why am I not speaking properly? I hope you have a great 2018. Let me know if you have any of the products I mentioned. Oh, actually, let me know your favorite products of 2017. Why don't you list 7 below, because I want to know what your most used / most favorite products are. I also forgot to mention that all these products are cruelty free. Yeah, so that is all, and I'll see you in my next video. Why am I putting my thumb up? I don't know what I'm doing. You know what? I'm just gonna cut the camera. I can't reach. Oh, and go check out this makeup. Oh shit. Oh.